Yeah, buddy.
Man, this is blue. This is goddamn blue catfish.
Yeah. It's crazy. He didn't even tangle my line. He went right through.
So I throw it very far.
Yeah. Man.
Broke the neck. Sorry, man.
That's all right. That's the best fish man of my life. Boy, we had a time last night.
You know, when you caught the big one, you feel good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. They fight so hard,
I
don't they?
know.
Man, when I say we had a time last night. Look at that. Broke my neck. Stripped my